Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to make a trading account on Exness. So how do you actually create a trading account? You come here to Exness website and then you can click here on register. And then what you need to do is you need to go ahead and enter your country region, right? And then you can go ahead and type in your email address right here. So there we go. I'll type this one in and then I'll enter a password. Now for the password, make sure you adhere to their guidelines. Make sure you toggle this one on, and then you can click on continue. Of course, you could use your Google account as well for a faster sign-in process. Now we will be taken to this section for web trading. Now what you usually need to do is verify your account if you want full access. So the way you actually go about that, so as you can see right now, our account has been created, but I suggest you complete your profile, you verify, okay, your profile, you make a first deposit, and then you can even join Exness rewards. So you go through this process, confirm your email address, you'll need to confirm your phone number, and you just add some profile information. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.